Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am counting down our top picks for the best engine oil for high mileage cars. Finding the right one can be tricky with so many options out there, but I have done the heavy research for you. Let's dive right in. Product number 1. Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. I'm super stoked to kick off our lineup with the Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend, folks, and trust me, I've got some amazing things to share with you about this fantastic oil. It's specifically designed for vehicles with over 75,000 miles on the clock, using a 5W30 synthetic blend formula that's guaranteed to keep your engine running smoothly, even under extreme temperatures. Honestly, I've used this stuff in my own car, and the difference is like night and day. Wow! It's got excellent lubricating properties, which means your engine will be protected from wear and tear for longer, and it's also formulated to improve fuel efficiency, which is a major plus if you're looking to save some cash on gas. The 5W30 viscosity rating means it flows easily in cold temperatures, and the synthetic blend gives it that extra boost of performance and protection. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this stuff worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, I highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you've got a high mileage vehicle. So, check out the link in the description for active discounts, and get ready to give your engine the TLC it deserves with the Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. Product number 2. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor. You know, after taking a closer look at some of the other motor oils on the market, I wanted to dive into one that really caught my eye: the Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Now, this stuff is not your run-of-the-mill oil. It's a full synthetic, designed to outperform conventional oils in the most demanding driving conditions. What that means for you is better fuel efficiency, longer engine life, and improved engine performance. It's a win-win-win. I mean, think about it. A full synthetic oil is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, from scorching hot to freezing cold, and still keep your engine running smoothly. Trust me, that's exactly what you want in a motor oil. Honestly, this stuff is top-notch, and I can see why it's a favorite among car enthusiasts. Look, I've got to give it to you straight. This is an investment worth making. Your car will thank you. If you're in the market for a new motor oil, I highly recommend checking out the Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. And as a special treat, you can get active discounts by checking out the link in the description below. Product number 3. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor. Alright guys, let's dive into our next product, and trust me, this one's a game changer. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Look, this stuff is specifically designed for vehicles with over 75,000 miles on them. So if you're like me, and you've got an older ride, this one's worth checking out. It's a full synthetic, which means it's got superior lubrication properties, can handle extreme temperatures. Honestly, it's a beast when it comes to protecting your engine from wear and tear. And the high mileage part is important. It's got conditioners and additives that help to seal engine leaks, keep your oil from breaking down too quickly, and it even helps to clean up your engine as you go. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this stuff really worth it? Well, let me tell you. I've used it in my own car, and the difference is night and day. It's like a whole new engine, and that's no joke. Alright, so if you want to check it out for yourself, be sure to click the link in the description below. I've got an active discount code for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Product number 4. Castrol Edge 0W20 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor. Alright, so I've got our hands on this amazing Castrol Edge 0W20 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, and I gotta tell you, it's a game changer, or at least, that's what I've been led to believe. Honestly, I'm not exactly a mechanic, but from what I've researched, this is one of the top-of-the-line, full synthetic motor oils available on the market, designed specifically for high-performance engines, like those found in modern sports cars and luxury vehicles, where the engine's under a lot of stress. So what does this mean for you and me? Well, it means this oil is engineered to provide superior lubrication and wear protection, even in extreme temperatures, which is perfect for those of us who live in areas with crazy weather fluctuations. Trust me, I've been there. With its advanced synthetic formula, it also helps to reduce engine noise and improve fuel efficiency. And let's be real, who doesn't want that? So, if you're in the market for a top-notch motor oil, I highly recommend checking out this Castrol Edge 0W20 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. And as a bonus, if you click the link in the description, you can snag it for a discounted price. Product number 5. Castrol GTX High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. So I just went over the Castrol Edge engine oil, and now I am moving on to the Castrol GTX High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. I'm really excited about this one, folks. This is a high mileage oil designed specifically for older engines with over 75,000 miles on them. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. Honestly, it's a must-have for any car owner who's been putting off an oil change for a little too long. This 5W30 synthetic blend is formulated to condition seals and gaskets, reduce oil consumption, and improve fuel efficiency. Trust me, you'll notice the difference. It's got a unique additive package that helps to prevent leaks, reduces engine wear and tear, and keeps your engine running smoothly. I've seen some amazing before and after videos on this one, and I'm confident it's going to do the same for your ride. Look, I know what you're thinking, high mileage oil is just for older cars. But the truth is, it's a preventative measure that'll save you money in the long run. So, if you're due for an oil change, make sure to check out this link in the description below for active discounts on the Castrol GTX High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend.